Ready to unlock the power of infrastructure as code with Terraform? First, understand that logging into Terraform isn't as straightforward as a username and password. It revolves around authentication, allowing the Terraform CLI to communicate securely with your chosen backend. You'll likely be using Terraform Cloud or Enterprise, or a cloud provider. This depends on the way that your team and company is set up today. We'll go through the basic steps of how to approach this. The initial stage is usually establishing the provider configuration. This involves defining the specific cloud platform, backend service, or Terraform Cloud Enterprise instance that your infrastructure will be built on. This configuration includes details like the provider's API keys or access tokens, which are required for secure authentication with the given platform. You'll need to research the specific authentication method related to your chosen service. Let's focus on Terraform Cloud as an example. Before you start, you'll need a Terraform Cloud account if you don't already have one, assuming you have an account. The next step is to obtain an API token. This usually involves logging into your Terraform Cloud account through a web browser. After you log in, you will navigate to the organization settings, then API tokens, and generate a new token. This token is the key to Terraform CLI authentication. Now, open your terminal and set up the Terraform CLI to use the authentication token. This is generally done through the process of adding the token. Ensure you configure your code to point toward Terraform Cloud or another backend. You will then run your Terraform commands to authenticate and deploy your infrastructure. Always remember to handle API tokens securely. Treat them like passwords. With a successful login, the Terraform CLI can then manage and orchestrate your infrastructure as code. Explore advanced concepts like environment variables and service accounts to better manage your secrets. Start experimenting, and happy coding. Remember to ask questions and leave comments for further understanding.